We are in the work, I say, you bishop money. Every week it doesn't stop. It too baba betinazia ka say, yes, me papa wo baako. Me papa wo me wa wo e wo asiakwa. And na son now they be me mame. You don't have any basis for that. Now, when it is Father's Day like this, Happy Father's Day, that is not enough. Daddy, I bought this lovely thing for you. We are tired of towels and boxer shorts. We are tired of towels and boxer shorts. I mean, when my father, passed on and I opened his wardrobe, I met not less than 40 towels. Brand new towels. Not less than 40. Packed. Yeah, bread towels. And here I'm not talking to you about me. Go and honor your father wherever he is. Father's Day, people are shy to post ne papa no and no. You are shy to post your own father's picture. What a mess. How sad that is. So papa kaisem papa tiasena a baby oko me nuaba kusku. Na sabre no na bodwe na it was not dyed, so all his gray hair, he was not this old, but everywhere it was gray. At the time he was like 60 years old or 50 something years old. And then my brother came out and said, say your father is here. Looked at my father and said, this is not my father. I don't know him. My father was shocked. So my brother left. And then the headmaster, knowing that it was this man who brought him into the school, called him back. And he said, what did you just say? He said, I don't know this man. Oneme papa, uni na me papa ni. Papa lami halemi. Oh. Shit when in ake yashin tui. Me papa e komi halen in ake akomi ami. My father slapped him twice. Pam! Yes, another one. Because I'm sorry, Daddy. And I'm saying, why? Bibiaka, ebe why?